Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we'll be sharing a very important information of Cognizant hike 2024. Yes, I know many people are frustrated by this hike what Cognizant have given, but it's official now, we can't do anything. So what Cognizant is giving, we should accept it. So if some people don't know what is the hike percentage, let me tell you the hike percentage based on rating. For 3 rating it's 3%, for 4 rating it is 4%, for 5 rating it's 4.5% only. So this year we will get this much percentage hike only. I know this is very less, but it's official, so no one can do anything, and it's same for all the domains. So in this video I will be telling how to check e-letters. So everyone knows that Cognizant will be sending e-letters from 19th of August to 23rd August. So this week they will be sending e-letters. So many people were having a question in their mind, like how to check e-letter, or how we will get to know whether we have got the e-letter or not. So in this video I will be telling how you can check your e-letter and how the e-letter will be look like. So I will be showing you last year hike letter which a resource has got. So by seeing that you will get a clarity how your hike e-letter will be looking like. So watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important information regarding this Cognizant hike 2024. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. I know many people knows already how to check, but still some people were asking in the comment box, so I have made a video for you people. So let us start our video. So how to check e-letter. So if you are getting e-letter, you will get a mail in Outlook that your e-letter has been generated like that. So by clicking on that mail, it will redirect to 1C portal and you can check your e-letter. But we don't know when they will send. So they might send today, 19, 20, 21. So in this week, 100% we will get the e-letter. So how we can check? So sometimes you won't get mail also. So you can check by directly going to 1C portal. Then in the search box type e-letter. You will get 3 options like compensation letter, general letter, organization letter, like that. So click on compensation letter. So there you will get an option merit increase 2024 like that. So this year you have got bonus 2024, right? Like that you will get merit increase 2024. So if you click on merit increase 2024, your e-letter will get open with your updated CTC. So you can check how much your CTC will get increase. So let me show you the sample of e-letter, last year's e-letter. So as you can see, last year April 10, 2023, designation is associate. We are pleased to recognize your performance and reward you with a merit increase based on your important contribution to our team. Congratulations and thank you for all that you do help engineer modern business to improve everyday life. Your new compensation is effective from April 1, 2023. So it will show like August 1, 2024. Please see your updated compensation details at the end of this e-letter. Thank you once again. So this is how your e-letter mail will look like. If you scroll down, you will get your revised e-letter, your revised CTC. So I think you are clear now. So from this month, you will get your revised salary. So this is all about our today's video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. So it is a short video. So many people were asking how to check e-letter. So that's why we have made this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. So thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share and stay tuned.